Hi there. In this video I'm going to show you how to reset the service interval on a Volkswagen Lupo. Okay, so to do this with contact off, you press this button and then hold it. So press it and hold it, then put the contact and continue to hold it for 10 seconds. For me, let me see how I can put the phone in here somehow so I have access to the button from behind. I think I will be able to have access from here. Yes, and still be able to somehow hold the phone. So press and hold. As you could see, it's pressed and still holding it. Put the contact, don't start the engine, just put the contact and continue to hold this button for 10 seconds. It's quite a pain to hold it because it's quite stiff. As you could see, it was reset. Now you can release it, take the contact, no more service. Even if we start the engine, for example, let me start it. No service. So we are done. And that's about it for this video. Hope it helps you, in which case please give it a like. Check out my other Lupo related videos that will be in the description related to servicing the Lupo, for example. And yeah, see you next time. Bye.